he doesn't know what he would do. He doesn't know what he would do in winter season. So he decided to go to jail for 3 months so that he could lead a comfortable life there. He could be protected from cold and he would have blanket also and food also. Okay. Now he has decided to go to jail. Okay. This was the story. Now we'll continue the next one. So Jasmeet will read after Desire. Beta, let me open the document. Jasmine and others also, please beta mute yourself. Jasmine from these pink lines, beta.
Sophie does his best to be on the wrong side of the law. He tries,
Jasmine, beta, there is disturbance. Please come to a quiet place. Then I'll give you a turn, beta. There is much disturbance. We are not able to hear you. Maybe TV is just going on. यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. Okay. So Akshara, please, these pink lines. Sarang, note books देख लो बेटा. Yes, Akshara.
Sophie does his best to be on the wrong side of the law. He tries 3 tricks, all in vain. The fear that no cops will ever catch him makes him sick at heart.
Okay. So Akshara आपने पढ़ना है, पर मैं ये बता देती हूँ. These pink lines are telling us what will happen next. तो बाद में क्या होगा? Sophie does his best to be on the wrong side of the law. Now he will try his best कि वो कुछ wrong करे so that he could be sent to the jail. Okay. He tries 3 tricks all in vain. अब उसने 3 tricks try करनी है. You will see whether it will be useful or not. Then the fear that no cop will ever catch him makes him sick and at heart. जब उसको पुलिसमैन अरेस्ट नहीं कर रहे बार बार तो नाउ ही इज फीलिंग सिक. ओके, ही इज फीलिंग सिक. यस अक्षरा, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ बेटा.
There were many easy ways of doing this. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money to pay, and then a cop would be called. It would all be done very quietly. The cop would arrest him, he would be taken to a judge, the judge would do the rest.
Okay, so there were many easy ways of doing this. बेटा अगर आप डिसाइड कर लो ना हमने जेल जाना है, so there are many easy ways, है ना. आप क्या करो, रेड लाइट क्रॉस कर सकते हो. यू कैन थ्रो a stone at someone, या किसी शोरूम का ग्लास है वहां पे स्टोन मार सकते हो. So there are many ways to get arrested yourself. Okay. So he also decided, he said that many easy ways are there. I can just opt for any ways. So the most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at a fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money. तो उसने कहा कि I would go to one restaurant, I will eat a lot. ठीक है, suppose 5-star hotel में he decided to go. वहाँ पे अच्छा खासा खाना खाएगा, काफी महंगा. Then he would say that I don't have money. Then what they would do, they would call police and they will ask them to arrest him. So the first idea was that he would go to a costly restaurant, then he would not give the bill and then automatically he will be sent to the jail. Okay. It would all be done very quietly. The cop, अब उसके 2 फायदे हो रहे इससे. One is that कि वो अच्छा से खाना भी खा लेगा and second वो जेल भी चला जाएगा. ठीक है, so he is happy now. बच्चे please mute yourself. So the cop would arrest him, he would be taken to a judge and judge would do the rest. उसको जज के पास ले जाएंगे. Then you know that. Yes Akshara, next please.
Sophie left his seat and walked slowly out of Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. He went across this wide space and started north on Broadway. He stopped at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people in the best clothes appeared every evening.
Okay. So beta, now what happened next? Sophie left his seat and walked slowly out of the Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. अब वो कहाँ चला गया, किस एरिया में? There is one very nice street there. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी street है वहाँ पे, Broadway, and there is one area Fifth Avenue. वहाँ पे वो जाके मिलते हैं, वो वहाँ पे चला गया. ठीक है. So he stopped at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. So you might have seen so many restaurants जो महंगे होते हैं, they are very brightly lighted, bright lights वहाँ पे जग रही होती हैं. Okay, he saw one restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people and the best clothes appeared. अब ये वो रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पे most of the जो rich people हैं, they just used to come to that restaurant. Okay. So next, Mitarthi, please come here. Quickly. Very easy story and yes.
Soapy believed that above his leg he looked all right, his face was clean, his coat was good enough. If he could get a table, he believed the success would be his. The part of him that would be seen above the table would look all right. The waiter would bring him and what he asked for. He began thinking of what he would like to eat. In his mind, he could see the whole dinner. The cost would not be too high. He did not want the restaurant people to feel any real anger, but the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter home.
Stay here, please. Stay here. Okay. So, beta, now Soapy believed that above his legs he looked all right. अब इतने महंगे बेटा रेस्टोरेंट में जाना, obviously you should look like a rich man. Then they would make you enter the restaurant. Otherwise, if you are if you are wearing something like beggars, then obviously they will not allow you to go inside. So he said that कि मेरी जो pants हैं and slippers हैं, they are very bad. Otherwise जो मेरा coat है above the legs, he was looking all right. ठीक है? So he decided that I would go inside. His face was clean. His coat was good enough. So his coat was fine. Face clean है उसका. So he was looking like a normal gentleman. But from where? Above the legs, not on the shoes side. सिर्फ लेग से ऊपर जहाँ पे कोट होता है, from that side he was looking good. If he could get a table, then success would be his. Now he tried his best to get the table in that costly restaurant. Then the waiter would bring him what he asked for. अभी ये सारा कुछ सोच रहा है. Would means imagination. अभी सारा कुछ सोच रहा है कि waiter would come to him, मैं उसको order दूंगा, then क्या होगा? I will eat a lot, then I would go to the jail. He began thinking of what he would like to eat. अब उसने सोचना शुरू किया कि मेरे को क्या-क्या खाना चाहिए. Okay. In his mind, he could see the whole dinner. So when you are hungry, obviously you can imagine the tasty dishes at your home. So the cost would be not too high. He did not want the rest of people to feel any real anger. अब उसने कहा कि मैं ऐसी चीजें ऑर्डर करूंगा जिसकी कॉस्ट नॉर्मल सी हो. ये ना हो कि बहुत महंगा कर दूं तो वो रियल एंगर में आ जाए और वो फिर उसका नुकसान होगा. So he thought that I would order medium cost, ठीक है, जिसकी medium cost होती है those type of dishes. But the dinner would leave him filled happy for the journey to his winter home. Then he would be very happy. Okay. Yes.
But as Soapy put his foot inside the restaurant door, the head waiter saw his broken old shoes and torn clothes that covered his legs. Strong and ready hand turned Soapy around and moved him quietly and quickly outside again. Soapy turned a broad way. It seemed that this most easy way to the island was not to be his. He must think of some other way of getting there. At the corner of 6th Avenue was a shop with a white glass window, bright and with electric lights. Soapy picked up a big stone and threw it through the glass. People came running around the corner. A cop was the first among them. Soapy stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop.
Okay, sit down, beta. Now, when he was just trying to enter the restaurant, the head servant saw his shoes, broken shoes, and what happened? He did not allow him to go inside. Uske broken shoes dekh ke he thought that he was a kind of beggar, and he did not allow him to go inside. Okay, so with his strong hands, he just threw Soapy, and then Soapy moved quietly and quickly outside again. Now this plan was failed. पहला plan क्या था उसका? To go to restaurant, to eat costly food, and then he would not pay bill. But this failed because the head servant, he noticed his broken shoes and he did not allow him to go inside. First plan क्या हो गया उसका? Fail हो गया. Now the second plan is Now the most easy way of to the island was not to be his. He must think of some other ways of getting there. अब first plan fail होने के बाद second plan उसने सोचा that a corner of 6th Avenue was a shop with a wide glass window. There was one showroom there. So he thought that I should pick up one big stone and throw it through the glass. So he thought that I should break the glass of the showroom. Then people would come there and they would call the police. So same thing happened. People came running around the corner. A cop is the inspector. He was the first among them. So inspector भाग के आया. Soapy stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. He was very happy that finally the policeman had come and he would now catch him. Okay. So the next one, please, who will read? Jasmine, now try to speak, please. अभी भी है बच्चे. Okay. जिसकी कल टर्न नहीं आएगी, आई थी. Okay. Shubh, did you get turn yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then speak up.
Ma'am, कहाँ तक?
आप बताओ कहाँ तक? अच्छा कहाँ तक? Okay, fine. बेटा डिनर तक. Dinner.
Okay, ma'am. Where's the man that did that? Asked the cop. Don't you think that I might have done it? Said Soapy. He was friendly and happy. What he wanted was coming towards him. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. Men who break the windows do not stop there to walk to cops. They run away as fast as they can. The cop saw a man further along the street running. He ran after him, and Soapy, sick at heart, walked slowly away. He had failed 2 times. Across the street was another restaurant. It was not so fine as the one on Broadway. The people who went there were not so rich. Its food was not so good. Into this Soapy took his old shoes and his torn clothes, and no one stopped him. He sat at a table and was soon eating a big dinner.
Okay. So where is the man that did that? Asked the cop. Now inspector asked Soapy that who threw the stone on the glass of the showroom. Don't you think that I might have done it? So Soapy said that. तो आपको ऐसे नहीं लग रहा मैंने फेंका ठीक है? So he asked the policeman. He was friendly and happy. What he wanted was coming towards him. So finally जो उसका dream था, what he wanted finally that was happening. ठीक है? The policeman was about to catch him. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. But जो cop था, policeman, he was not ready to believe that Soapy had done that. Why so? The reason is written. Men who break windows do not stop there to talk to cops. कहता generally क्या होता है जो thieves होते हैं और some these type of criminals, what do? They just break the window and glass, then they run away. So no one would just wait here and would wait for the policeman. कहता no, I don't believe that you are the culprit. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि आपने ग्लास तोड़ा है because अगर आपने तोड़ा होता तो मेरे को देख के आप भाग जाते. ठीक है? So they run away as fast as they can. The cop saw a man further. अब cop को दूर एक man भागता हुआ दिखाई दिया. So he thought that he had broken the window, not Soapy, because Soapy was standing there. So cop thought that Soapy hadn't broken the window. So again उसका second plan अब क्या हो गया? Fail हो गया. So first plan क्या था? Restaurant. Second plan is to break the window. Now that plan also failed. Why so? Because cop was not ready to believe him and he thought that if he would have done so, he would run fast. But he was standing there, so he did not believe him. Across the street was another restaurant. अब उसने सोचा मैं एक और restaurant पे जाता हूँ. It was not so fine like the Broadway. जो previous one restaurant था, that was very nice, but this one was not so good. The people who went there were not so rich. It was a normal beta dhaba style. So 5 star से अब वो कहाँ आ गया? Normal restaurant पे, because he was sure that there they would make him enter. They would enter, उसको enter करने देंगे, ठीक है? He would enter there. So into the Soapy took his old shoes and torn clothes, and no one stopped him. अब सोपी अंदर जाके बड़े आराम से टेबल पे बैठ गया, and no one stopped him, क्योंकि it was a normal restaurant, it was not a costly one. ठीक है? Now who will read, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here.
Okay, ma'am. When he had finished, he said that he had no money. Get busy and call a cop, said Soapy. And don't keep a gentleman waiting. No cop for you, said the waiter. He called another waiter. The two waiters threw Soapy upon his left ear on the hard street outside. He stood up slowly, one part at a time, and beat the dust from his clothes. Prison seemed only a happy dream. The island seemed very far away. A cop who was
That's it, beta. Now, when he finished the food, he said that I don't have money to pay the bill. So now you please go and call the police. I don't have money to pay the bill. But the waiter, जो waiter उसके पास खड़ा था, उसने एक और waiter को बुलाया. Okay. Then both the waiters, what did they do? They did not call the police. They just gave him a slap on the left ear और उन्होंने उसको उठा के street में फेंक दिया. ठीक है? So they felt a little bit pity कि इसको पुलिस के पास के छोड़े, बेटर है इसके कान पे हम एक कादी मार के इसको क्या करें, we should throw him into the street. So again his plan failed. अब 3 plans हो गए. I will ask you, क्योंकि इसमें और questions बनते नहीं है, only 3 questions are main there. What was the first plan, why it failed? What was the second plan, why it failed? Then third plan, okay, then why it failed. So yes beta, complete the page बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A cop who was standing near laughed and walked away. Soapy started moving again. When he stopped, he was near several theaters. In this part of the city, streets are brighter and hearts are more joyful than in other parts. Women and men in rich warm coats moved happily in the winter air. A sudden fear caught Soapy. No cop was going to arrest him.
Yes, beta, wait, and then you can continue. After beta, I just finished the explanation. So he stood up slowly,
Okay,
one
ma'am.
part at a time. ठीक है? Now he just उसने अपने clothes वगैरह साफ किए, and one inspector was standing nearby, and he started laughing at him. कि इसको कान पे पड़ी है, and the inspector started laughing at him. Okay, Tarang, any doubt बच्चे? Okay, just wait. So a cop who was standing near laughed and walked away. Soapy started moving again. When he stopped, he was near several theaters. अब वो कहाँ पे पहुंच गया? Theaters area, जहाँ पे हमारे, you might have, obviously you have visited theaters. So what kind of people you can see in the theater? Very rich people, nicely clothed, है ना? उन्होंने अच्छी सी clothing डाली होती है, and they are generally the rich. Okay, I think so. हमने बहुत rarely कोई beggars देखे होंगे जो movie देखने आए होंगे. Generally the people are I think from the nice families and from the rich families. So he noticed all the things. Then sudden fear caught Soapy. No cop was going to arrest him. अब उसके मन में एक डर सा पड़ गया that no policeman would arrest him. कहता कि मैं जितने मर्जी plan सोच लूं, I am sure that no policeman would catch me. So Sarang, after Karthik, beta, you can come here, okay? Karthik, these pink lines, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Soapy tries his luck twice again, but cops remain indifferent as ever. Soapy is suddenly reminded of his childhood home and mother and resolves to turn over a new leaf. Feeling a hand on his arm, Soapy turns around to see the broad face of a cop.
Okay, so this is again the lines जो भी अपने पढ़ना है उसके बारे में lines है. So I would not explain these lines much. ये अगला वाला हमें बताया कि अगले पार्ट में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? So Sarang, please come here and read till very cold. Very cold तक read करो बेटा. उसके बाद जसवीन की turn. very cold तक. हाँ जी बच्चे यहाँ पे.
Very cold. Very cold. Then he saw the man in the shop buying a newspaper. The man umbrella stood beside the door. Sophie stepped inside the shop, took the umbrella, and walked slowly away. The man followed him quickly. My umbrella, he said. Oh, is it that? Said Sophie. Why do not you call a cop? I took it your umbrella. Why don't you call a cop? There's one standing at the corner. The man walked more slowly. Sophie did the same, but he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. The cop looked at the two men. The cop looked at the two men. I said, the umbrella man, that is, you know how these things happen. If that your umbrella, I am very sorry. I found it this morning in the restaurant. If you say it is yours, I hope you will, it's mine. Cried Sophie, very anger in his voice. The umbrella man hurried away. The cop
Sarang, you have left one part. You started from this thing, na? Then he saw a man. आपने यहाँ तक पढ़ दिया, I think so. Very cold के बाद पढ़ा था आपने यहाँ से. But you had to start from here. Okay, fine. Okay, so beta, this one, please see the screen. I have highlighted the line. Pink lines के बिल्कुल नीचे से. I'm just going to give you explanation. So then he came to another cop standing in front of a big theater. So there was one theater. Now one inspector was standing there. This is, I think, plan number 4. This is plan number 4. So he began to shout as if he had too much to drink. ऐसे लग रहा था उसने बहुत सारा alcohol पिया हुआ है, ठीक है? So he started shouting. His voice was as loud as he could make it. He danced and cried out. He just pretended, show करना शुरू कर दिया that he had consumed lot of alcohol. ठीक है, उसने बहुत सारी पी रखी है, and then he started dancing and shouted loudly. Okay. Then the cop turned his back to Sophie. अब कॉप ने उसके पास तो क्या आना था? He just showed him his back. वो ऐसे दूसरी तरफ फेस करके खड़ा हो गया कॉप. And then said to a man standing near him, cop said that it's one of those college boys. कहता है कि ये college boys की तरह है, ये जो चिल्ला रहा है, ये Sophie. He won't hurt anything. We have orders to let them shout. He said that जो ऐसे ये drunk men होते हैं, they just cry a lot, they shout a lot, but they don't hurt anyone. तो मैं इसको arrest नहीं करूँगा. These are the drunk men and we are not supposed to arrest them. So उसका 4th plan अब क्या हो गया? Fail. Now the 5th plan is Sophie was quiet. Was no cop going to touch him? Now he's asking himself question that कि मेरे को कोई arrest नहीं करेगा. Okay. Then he began to think of the island as if it was as far away as star. अब उसको जो island है ना जहाँ पे prison है, jail है, अब उसको कितनी दूर लग रहा है जितने यहाँ से stars दूर होते हैं, ठीक है? Because his each plan failed. So he pulled his thin coat around him. The wind was very cold. Now the weather is cold with us. So then he saw a man in the shop buying a newspaper. The man's umbrella stood beside. अब उसने 5th final plan उसका क्या है? That I should take the umbrella of one man and I should run away. Then police will caught me. ठीक है? उसने same चीज की. The man followed him quickly. My umbrella, he said. He said that why are you taking my umbrella? So Sophie, oh, is it? Said Sophie. Why don't you call a cop? कहता अच्छा मैं तो तेरी umbrella चोरी करके भाग रहा था. You should call police and police should arrest me. ठीक है? So I took it, your umbrella. Why don't you call a cop? There is one standing at the corner. कहता वो खड़ा हुआ पुलिस वाला. You just go and call him. Okay. So the man walked more slowly. Sophie did the same. जो man है वो slow जा रहा है. Okay. So Jasween, please continue with her. From this line again. The man walked more slowly.
The man walked more slowly. Sophie did the same, but he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. The cop looked at the two men. I said the umbrella man, that is, you know how these things happen. If that's your umbrella, I am very sorry. I found it this morning in a restaurant. restaurant. If you say it's yours, I hope you will. It's mine, cried Soap with anger in his voice. The umbrella man hurried away. The cop helped a lady across the street. Soapy walked east. He threw the umbrella as far as he could throw it. He talked to himself about cops and what he thought of them because he wished to be arrested. They seemed to believe he was like a king who could do no wrong.
Okay, so now beta, this trick again failed. जब वो पुलिसमैन के पास पहुंचे, then the man, ठीक है, he said that maybe this is your umbrella because I found this umbrella today morning in the restaurant. Restaurant में किसी का umbrella पड़ी हुई थी तो मैंने उठा ली. I'm so sorry. अगर ये आपकी है तो आप रख लो, ठीक है. अब सोपी को फिर से क्या हो गया, उसका प्लान फेल हो गया बिकॉज जिसकी अम्ब्रेला उसने उठाई थी, he felt sorry and he said that कि मैंने भी सुबह किसी की अम्ब्रेला उठाई थी तो maybe it's yours, you can have your umbrella. Now सोपी is very angry और एंगर में अब वो क्या बोल रहा है, it's mine, ठीक है. He said that umbrella is mine. Now after some time he threw the umbrella, उसने दूर तक umbrella फेंकी in anger. Okay, so he threw the umbrella as far as he could. He talked to himself about cops and what he thought of them. He wished to be arrested. They seemed to believe he was a king. कहता है कि मैं तो अरेस्ट होना चाहता हूँ पर कॉप्स को लगता है कि मैं तो एक बहुत सच्चा इंसान हूँ जो किंग की तरह है, ठीक है. So is it all right everyone? We have finished with the plans. उसके सारे plans अब हो गए. Now offline students one by one please tell me the first plan, second plan, third plan. Bishop से start कर रही हूँ. Bishop, first plan. What was the first plan and Sarang will tell us why it failed. Yes. First plan. Go to a costly restaurant, eat some food and then he would not pay bill. Then why the plan failed, Sarang? Exactly. Because his feet, his shoes were very dirty and the waiter did not allow him to come to the restaurant. Mitarthi. Second plan and Ananya, why the plan failed? To break a costly window. Okay. Okay, then why the plan failed? Because cop did not believe him, because when someone commits a mistake, then he or she runs away. Kasak will tell us third plan and Rajaryan why it failed. Yes, third plan. Two? वो लास्ट प्लान था बेटा, फिफ्थ प्लान. थर्ड वाला आप रीड करो, मे बी आप दोबारा देखो थर्ड वाला. थर्ड प्लान राजारायन. Exactly. Yes. So video kinki on hai? Let me see. Yes, Bishop, your video is on. I know. Okay, Shobh and Adgul. Beta, third plan. Third plan, Shobh, and why it failed, Adgul. Yes.
Okay. Third plan was to go to a restaurant, to a small restaurant, and to eat some food.
Okay, and Adgun, why it failed, beta?
Ma'am, Sophie thought that they would call the cop, but the two waiters gave him a slap and throw him away.
Exactly. Savya Devang, fourth plan, and why it failed? Quickly, beta. Savya and Devang.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth plan was he took the umbrella and started running.
This is the fifth one, beta. Savya, this is fifth one. Devang, fourth one kya tha?
He drank too much alcohol.
Yes, he pretended. Actually, he did not drink alcohol. उसने सिर्फ show किया था. He pretended that he was drunk and he shouted loudly. And yes, Devang, why the plan failed?
The plan failed because everyone because they thought that they don't hurt they don't hurt the another one as they are as they are in sadness,
Okay,
as they always
so
cry
the
when they are troubled.
policeman, yes, policeman got already instruction from higher authorities not to arrest these type of college boys who are drunk and who shout loudly because they don't hurt anyone. Okay, so next is video. Jasween will tell us fifth plan and why it failed. I'm not finding a student with video on. Yes, please, Jasween, fifth plan, beta.
The fifth plan was that he saw a man buying a newspaper, so he and umbrella is along with him. So he go and take that umbrella and ran away slowly. The man whose umbrella was that followed him and asked him why you are taking this umbrella, and he said that you should call a cop and arrest me.
Okay, Shobh, why the plan failed?
Ma'am, because the man who had the umbrella has also taken the umbrella of any other person. So he thought that he might be that person, so he gave that umbrella to him.
Exactly, beta. Well done, both of you. So the man who had that umbrella thought that it was Sophie's umbrella because in the morning he had already taken that umbrella from the restaurant. Okay, well done, all of you. So we did 5 plans and how they failed. Okay. Now I am not moving forward because हमने काफी पढ़ लिया and we are just left with 2 pages maybe. Yes, 2 pages. चलो हम थोड़ी सी true false कर लेते हैं. Okay. Okay, Sophie did not want to go to prison. Is it true or false? Second question. Okay, this is false. So everyone, you can write down false. Sophie had been to prison several times. वो बहुत बार prison होके आ चुका है. Is it correct or? Yes, this is true. It was not possible for Sophie to survive in the city through the winter. Exactly true. Sophie hated to answer questions of personal nature. True. So 3 are true and 1 is false. First is false and second, third, fourth is true. Okay. So the first question is, what are some of the signs which showed that winters are approaching? कल भी हमने किए थे ये signs. अगर आप कल यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट थे, कल मैंने आपको साइंस बताए थे कि विंटर्स आ गए हैं. क्या साइंस थे? यस मितार्थी. Exactly. Online students, you can speak up. Anyone?
Ma'am, birds fly
Ma'am,
to south.
birds.
And
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am,
the people began
buy
to-
new warm clothes.
Okay.
And ma'am, dead leaves fall off.
Fell down from the leaves. Okay. So beta, one is
And ma'am,
birds started
Sophie moves
migrating to
restlessly
south part.
in park.
Okay. People started wearing warm clothes. ठीक है. और एक और क्या था बेटा? Birds की migration शुरू हो गई थी. People started wearing warm clothes. और dead leaves जो था वो fall कर गए. और Sophie was restless. Okay, this was also the sign. Okay. So first question we have done. Please do it on your own, beta. First and second. What was Sophie's first plan? Why did not work? ये भी मैंने discuss कर लिया आपके साथ. First plan क्या था और क्यों work नहीं किया? So 3 questions. Please, beta, do it. Then we'll complete the chapter tomorrow. Okay? Bye, beta.